Hey everybody, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. Today, I'm going to give you guys my take on the chili cheese fries. I like chili cheese fries, but I like these a lot better. So, hang out and we'll get to cooking. Alright y'all, start this dish out. I got about 4 medium-sized taters diced up into little pieces here, and I put them in a gallon freezer bag. We're going to coat them with some olive oil. Put plenty in there. Alright, that should be good and coated. Got a cookie sheet here, it's lined with foil. Them dumped out on there. And a little shake. Get them all laid out there. Kind of move them apart so they not laying on one another and stuck to one another. Kind of get one layered out. Alright. Got them right there. Looking good, looking good. Now, what I do is I like a little Tony's Creole seasoning. Shake that on there. Get them good and coated. By the way, I call these sloppy, spicy spuds. So, when the oven gets up to temperature, I'm going to bake them at 400 for about 25-30 minutes. Check them, see how they're doing, and then if they're doing okay, for softening up nice, we'll flip them around, finish them off, maybe add a little more Tony's to it, but that's the start. So let's get some more stuff out here, and we'll show you the next part of it. Alright, y'all, next thing we need is I got some Italian sausage here. This is hot Italian. I didn't have enough of the bulk that was frozen, so I picked up some casings because I'm gonna have some casings later on in the week. But today I just peeled the casing off and we're gonna fry them up here. I'll throw the lid on it, let them simmer, and we'll get to cooking on these. So when these get closer to being done, we'll bring you back. Alright y'all, let's check on this sausage cooking here. Oh yeah, she's come along nicely. It's all broke up now. Still a little pink, few pink spots there. So I'm just gonna move it around a little bit here. Woo! Got a little on that burner, but it'll be all right. All right. Put the cover back on this, let it cook a little bit longer, and we'll come back. Should be all done, and the tater should be almost done. So hang on. Alright y'all, this stuff should be done here, which it looks like it's done. So I'm going to drain all this liquid off of here, and we'll move on to the next step. So give me a second and we'll get that taken care of. Alright y'all, I got that all drained off. I got me a can of Sloppy Joe mix here. This is what's going to make us make it sloppy. Sloppy Joe. Sloppy Joe. Now I enjoy just the Sloppy Joe mix with the Italian sausage on a sandwich, but when you put it on the Spuds, it's like, you know, kicking up chili cheese fries tenfold. So, oh yeah, look at that. That is awesome. Awesome, awesome. Smells delicious. Alright, y'all. I'm going to cover this up, put it on a real low heat, Just kind of let her simmer, and when the spuds are done, then we'll finish mixing this all up. Alright y'all, it's been about 30 minutes. Let's get these spuds out of here. Check them, see how they're doing. See if they're roasting up nicely. Sounds like they're roasting up nicely. Grab me a fork here. Oh yeah, they are roasting up really nicely. I would like them a little bit crunchier, so I'm going to flip them around here a little bit. Maybe. Alright. Give me a minute, y'all. Let me get these flipped over and get them back in the oven. And when they get nice and toasty, then we'll bring it back and finish this dish up. Alright, y'all. Got them kind of cooked up the way I like them. A little crispy on the outside. Nice and tender on the inside. They are still hot, hot, hot. So, I'm going to dish some out here in a bowl. Of course, helps if I get them in the bowl, huh? What do you think? Alright, we got a mound of spuds there. Get these picked up off the stove top here. There we go. Alright. There's that. And we're going to take a little bit of this spicy sloppy joe sauce that we just made up. Spoon a little bit of that over the top. Now if you're making this for your family, you can go ahead and mix all this together in one big bowl. But being as I'm going to have this multiple days, I'm going to keep it separate. But now, we'll just add a little bit of cheese on top. Ain't that lovely? Lovely, lovely. Alright. Looks delicious to me, y'all. So, give me a second to get turned around here and we'll do a little taste testing. Alright, y'all. There you have it. Spicy, sloppy spuds. Delicious to the end, man. Telling y'all. That is really, really good. Ooh. That Italian sausage. It's in that tomato sauce for that sloppy joe sauce. A little bit of cheese in there. And them crunchy taters. With that Creole seasoning. Easy for me to say. Can't beat that. Oh. Y'all gotta try that. And of course, today's beverage of the day, we're doing the grape Faygo. So, oh, good eats right there, y'all. So there you have it. My sloppy, spicy spuds. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you're going to try it. If you'd like it, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down there. Tell me how much you like it. Tell me if there's something you'd change on it. Tell me if you don't like it. Don't matter. And if you're going to give me a thumbs down, leave me a comment why you're giving me a thumbs down. I can improve. I can make stuff better. If you don't like it, if you don't tell me why, I don't know. So, hey, whatever. So, alright. Weekly live stream. Come on in. Check it out. 7 p.m. Sunday nights. We hang out, we talk, we chat. Talk about lots of all kinds of stuff, you know. So, yeah, come on in. That's it. That's all I got for y'all. As always, bon appetit.